Good morning. It's day number 2. And yeah, we're doing this. Didn't sleep the best, but um, did sleep. Rolled around a whole lot, but there's a lot of noise going on with the trucks and stuff. Just being so close to the highway and being at a place where people sleep overnight. But the plan for today is we got the map on the Atlas National Park book, and we are going to check out Hot Springs, and it's in Arkansas. I just called them, and they open at 9, and we're about an hour away, so we'll hopefully get there right on time. Be like the first people in there. All right. Hey.
Hey.
Jasmine, how did you sleep last night?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're back on the road, and yeah, buddy. We're gonna take a shower. I guess you sit in there. Oh. Oh, man. Ooh. The mechanic room. Wow. Notice elevator controller. No. What's down here? What's down here? Oh, it's just a reflection. Oh, this is spooky. It's really spooky. Look at that. I think that's another rainbow. What is that? Yeah, it's a sunset. What do you think? Sing it more. No. There it is. There it is. Beautiful. Oh yes, anything for you. Alright, so we just made it into Texas, and we drove about 700 miles today. Drive coming in was beautiful sunset, but we're definitely sore. I don't even know if I'm gonna make dinner. I might just have a bowl. I can't even speak right now. Might just eat a bowl of cereal and ow, I'm already limping. I'm sore. But all right, well, good night, everyone, and see you tomorrow. Bye.